He has no qualification. Why? Now, monorathena, he is simply speculating. He has no truth. How by speculation? Every one of us, we are imperfect. We are very much proud of our eyes. Can you show me? What qualification your eyes have got that you can see? He does not think that I have no qualification, still I want to see. These eyes are dependent on so many conditions. Now there is electricity, you can see. As soon as there is electricity off, you cannot see. Then what is the value of your eyes? You cannot see what is going on beyond this wall. So don't believe your so-called senses as the source of knowledge. No. The source of knowledge should be by hearing. That is called Shruti. Therefore, Veda's name is Shruti. Shruti Pramana. Shruti Pramana. Just like a child or a boy wants to know who is his father. So what is the evidence? That evidence is Shruti, hearing from the mother. Mother says, he is your father. So he hears, he does not see how he became his father. Because before his body was constructed, the father was there, how could he see? So by seeing, you cannot ascertain who is your father. You have to hear from the authority. The mother is the authority. Therefore, Shruti Pramana, the evidence is hearing, not by seeing. Seeing our imperfect eyes, there are so many obstacles. So similarly, by direct perception, you cannot have the truth. Direct perception is speculation. Dr. Frog. Dr. Frog is speculating what is Atlantic Ocean. He is in the well, 3 feet well, and some friend informed him, oh, I have seen vast water. What is that vast water? Atlantic Ocean. How big it is? Very, very big. So the Dr. Frog is thinking, maybe 4 feet. This well is 3 feet, it may be 4 feet, all right, 5 feet. Come on, 10 feet. So in this way speculating, the frog, Dr. Frog will understand Atlantic Ocean or Pacific Ocean. Can you estimate the length and breadth of the Atlantic Pacific Ocean by speculation? So by speculation you cannot have. They are speculating so many years about this universe. How many stars are there, what is the length and breadth, where is it? Nobody knows anything. Even of the material world. And what to speak of the spiritual world. That is beyond, far beyond. Parastasmatu bhavanya bhaktya bhaktya sanatana, you'll find it. Bhagavad Gita. There is another nature. This nature, what you see, the sky, around dome, that above that, there are layers of 5 elements. Again, this is the covering. Just like you have seen the coconut, there is hard covering. And within the covering, there is water. Similarly, within this covering, and outside the covering, there are 5 layers, 1,000 times bigger than the one another. Water layer, air layer, fire layer. So you have to penetrate all these layers. Then you will get the spiritual world. All these universes, unlimited number, koti. Jasaprabha prabhavato jagadanna koti. Jagadanna means the universe. Koti. Many millions clustered together. That is material world. And beyond that material world, there is spiritual world, another sky. That is also sky. That is called Parabham. So, by your sense perception, you cannot estimate even what is there in the moon planet or sun planet, this planet, within this universe. How you can understand the spiritual world by speculation. This is foolishness. That Shastra says, Achinta khalu baba natastarki no jujay. Achinta, which is inconceivable, beyond your sense perception. Don't try to argue and understand it and speculate. This is foolishness. It is not possible. Therefore, we have to go to the Guru. Tad vijnanatham sa gurumeva avigacche samitpani sutriyam brahmanishtam. This is the process. But the demands, they do not know. This is the process. They speculate, they manufacture. Simply by jugglery of words, they manufacture their truth. No. Sattam param dhimai. That is in the big Bhagavatam you will find. And what is Sattam? Janmadasya jataha annaya tetadarasta artheshu avijñā sarat tini brahmrita. Everything is there. So, don't remain in the ignorant stage of life. That is called Sudra. Try to become Brahmana. That is, it is not prohibited that one cannot become Brahmana. No, one can become Brahmana. If he gets association of a Brahmana, if he agrees to be trained up by a Brahmana, he can become Brahmana. And Brahmana means Brahma Janati iti Brahmana. Not by birth. Anyone who has full knowledge of the Supreme, he is Brahmana. Janmana Jayati Shudra. By birth, everyone is Shudra. Even if he is born in a Brahman family, he is Shudra. Janmana Jayati Shudra. Sanskarat bhavidvija. The sanskar means purification. That is Sattam Saucham. But the asuras, they do not want to be purified. They want to remain in the degraded stage of life. That is the difficulty. Otherwise, it doesn't matter what he is, which family he is born. It doesn't matter. Krishna says, we'll find Mani Partha Vipasritya Jeepishu Papajuna. Papajoni, to take birth in low-grade family or animal family. These are called Papajoni. Krishna says that it doesn't matter if one is born in the Papajoni, low-grade family. It doesn't matter. Then never mind whatever you are. Chant Hare Krishna and you become purified. This is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement. It doesn't matter whether what you are. Chant Hare Krishna and you will be purified. Then you will understand everything, what is God, what you are, what is your relation. This is Krishna consciousness movement. Thank you very much.